Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 5 lesson 1. The world in a wall. As we studied before the whole chapter with translation, today we are going to do its exercise. Page number 6. Exercise. Answer the following question. Question number 1 is, where does Gerald hunt for animals and why is it a good place to find them? And the answer is, Gerald hunts for animals in a garden. Full stop. It was a good place to find animals because many different creatures live in the wall that surrounds that garden. Okay, this is the answer of question number 1. Understand? Now question number 2 is, make 2 lists of animals under the following headings. First one is animals that Gerald find during the day, animals that Gerald find at night. And the answer is, animals Gerald find in the day are flies, dragon, wasps, wall lizards. ठीक है. And at night, रात को वो कौन से जानवर देखता था? Toads, geckos, moths. बस यहाँ तक ही आंसर. ठीक है. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3 or C is, explain who the following characters are and find information about what happens to them in the text. First is Larry and second is Roger. And the answer is, Larry, he was Gerald's older brother. When he saw the scorpion, he flung his arm and because became scared of matchboxes. ठीक है. Larry, he was Gerald's older brother. When he saw the scorpion, he flung his arm out and became scared of matchboxes. And what about Roger? It was a pet dog. Gerald takes him on walks. ठीक है. This is the answer of question number C. Question number D is, what happened Gerald? What does Gerald think the female scorpion is wearing? What gives her that appearance? ठीक है. And the answer of question number D is, Gerald thinks the female scorpion is wearing a fawn fur coat, but that were the babies clinging to her back. This is the answer of question number D. Question number E is, why does Gerald forget about the scorpions after he has put them in the matchbox? And the answer of question number E is, Gerald gets busy with feeding his dogs, so he forget about scorpions. This is the answer of question number E. What happens to Gerald's mother during the chaos at the end of lunch? This is the question number F, and the answer is, Gerald's mother gets soaked by water which Margot throws on scorpions. ठीक है. This is the answer of question number F. Next question is, why does Gerald stay away from the family in the afternoon? And the answer is, because he knows that his family is angry. ठीक है. This is the answer of question number G. Next question is, why does Gerald what are the repercussions of the incident? What are the repercussions of the incident? And the answer is, the repercussions of the incidents are that first one is Gerald's brother Larry develops a phobia of matchboxes, and the second is Gerald's mother decides to stop him from animal world. जैसा कि हमारे आंसर क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गए हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया है. नाउ लेट्स सी, we have to fill these two, predator and prey. Prey are crane flies, moths, beetles, flies, caterpillars, and predators are lizards, spiders, toads. Okay, now it is page number 7. Question number 2, answer the following questions with reference to context. I completely forgot about my exciting new creature. Captures. A. Who forgot and what distracted him? B. Why did he capture the creatures? C. Where were the captured creatures? D. What happened next? And the answer of all these questions are, answer of question number A is Gerald forgot because lunch distracted him. Okay. Answer of question number B is because he was enraptured by them and he wanted to see them growing up. Answer of question number C is they were in a matchbox. Answer of question number D is Larry takes that matchbox and when he opens the open, आगे कॉमा लिखेंगे, the scorpions climbed out onto his hand. He gets a big shock and this there makes everyone panic and things become chaotic. Okay, these are the answers of question number 2. आज के लिए हम इतना ही करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, वर्ड सेंटेंसेस एंड नेक्स्ट हम करेंगे, वो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको करवाया जाएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.